Welcome back to Chicks in the Kitch. Tonight, we are going to make some of the stuff that we meal prepped. Here's my basic plan. We'll see where it goes for the evening, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to make either like an eggplant pizza or like an eggplant calzone with the eggplant that we made yesterday. We'll see what else I end up making or what else I end up putting on it. Let's do it. We're going to get plants that we already prepped. Oh my gosh, something so important that I forgot. You do have to heat the pan up in the oven with the pizza. You have to heat the pan up in the oven so it gets hot for the pizza. There it is. We got there. Just putting down a little parchment paper. So here's this dough. I'm just stretching out the pizza dough. Oh my gosh. What if I need calzones? Let's make a calzone. We're going to use my garlic. Decided to add this beautiful squash. I'm just going to do some like thinner slices. And I'm going to chop up an onion. I just want to cook half of it for now. I'm going to let this cook on its own for just a few minutes here. And I'm just going to move these kind of off to the side. A little space for these guys. What this is turning into here is a vegetable calzone. And now I'm gonna use the rest of this onion. This is just gonna go right onto the pizza dough here. I'm just gonna start by placing an eggplant. I'm gonna put the cheese in between the eggplant. Little guy right at the end. I'm going to fold it if it wants to do that. Okay. Well, this one has a little like hole in it. All right, this one's a little butthole, but that's okay. Who doesn't love a little butthole? Right directly on top. A little olive oil. And do the sides here. I'm gonna top it with a little sauce. And then I put this on the bottom rack. Since this is a calzone, it's my first time, I'd rather cook a little bit more than a little bit less. Otherwise, the dough would be raw and that'd be disgusting. Let's check on this bad boy. I'm buttering the calzone. Actually looks pretty effing good for my first calzone attempt. Back in on the bottom. Also, third hair change of the evening. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, my gosh. And it's huge! Thanks for joining again tonight. And if you like this video, you can like and subscribe and join us for the next one. Bye.